dough as smoothly as can be. Roll it till it's big and round, make some bread for tea.
This is the way we knead the dough, knead the dough, knead the dough. This is the way we knead the dough early in the morning. This is the way we toss pancakes, toss pancakes, toss pancakes. This is the way we toss pancakes early in the morning. This is the way the jelly wobbles, jelly wobbles, jelly wobbles. This is the way the jelly wobbles early in the morning.
Here we go round the apple tree, the apple tree, the apple tree. Here we go round the apple tree that's growing in the orchard.